back to my channel, Jayden's Adventures. So today we're gonna be making slime. And this is my cousin Sophia. Say hello.
Hello.
And first thing you need a big bottle of glue. Just get all of that out of there. So you're gonna keep mixing it really good until it's really mixed.
Ya, mamita, ya está.
Now we're gonna be using paint. Just use a little bit. Then you mix it up.
That's blue.
You're gonna be making blue slime. So then you mix it until it turns the color you want it to turn.
Blue. Just blue.
It's blue.
Ooh. Oh, girl, it's sticking to my hand. Ooh, slime, blue slime. Ooh, squishy. Wow, slime. Oh, I can barely open my hands. Look, ooh, slime. You're just staring over there because
That's not a big fountain.
It's a mosquito. A big one.
It's a mosquito fountain. It's a mosquito.
Okay, mamita.
Ooh, slime, sticky. Make sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications so that you'll be the first one to watch our videos. And make sure to comment down below.
Bye. Bye, guys.
We're not done yet, Sophia.
Bye.
What are you making, Jayden?
Slime.
Oh,
As you can see, it's halfway done. Because some of it's still sticky, but the rest is not sticky at all.
Sophia.